Alright, I'm Tammy. Geared for life, sort of homestead. On its way to a homestead, I guess. Right now it's just a garden. Me and a dog. I am clearing the beds out. So here are the beds. This is my garden. That's the small garden. These are the tomato beds. Some more garden. More tomato beds over there. And this year, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I made 2 more beds for some winter squash way back out there to go down the hill. Over here is another one. I'm going to put squashes, okra, I don't know, whatever the overflow will be. Those are my potato towers. So today I went to the compost, the city compost. My trailer is full. My wheelbarrow is full. It took me about an hour and a half and I shoveled it. It's great exercise, good for your heart. And I'm going to start filling the beds. This one and this one are new. I built a couple weeks ago. That one needs to be filled. I'm sure I don't have enough. I'm going to have to make another trip. But, so this one, right now it has onions, and I have some cold weather stuff growing in here. Yes, River, I hear you. You ready? Are you ready? Why didn't it say go? Go! Get it! She's trying to find a squirrel. This is her favorite game. So anyway, I'm filling all these. Okay, let's see if I can do it. So this one has compost. There's nothing planted but the onions. Oh, I do have some peas in the end. Let's see if I can do it. There it is. Not a breath. Just finished. I filled that first bed. I didn't do anything with that one. That one already had compost. All the rest of them got fresh compost. Some of them already put some straw down. Look at all that garden gold. Over there's full. Everything. You can see how black, pretty. Oh, good. So tomorrow I have to go do my kids' garden. And then I'll come back and throw straw down on everything here. And his. Alright, that is it for me today. I am wiped out. Ready to go in and get some coffee. Maybe some dinner. You want to see River one more time? Are you ready? Go! Oh! Gotcha.